It is a great privilege to speak something about myself today on this auspicious occasion. It was a small village in a small town where there is a ignorance and illiterate people living. In fact, was the time where a small happy moment happened in one great family, that having a birth of a child who happens to be attacked with a polio immediately after 6 months of his birth, who was severely hit by lot of problems and only come to an end with all the things with one limb and body disorder left alone, has overcome hurdles and has become a teacher of today, is none other than myself. It took a lot of time for me to understand that if you have some constraints, you will definitely have some strengths, and those strengths made me stand for what I am today. My family, my father, my friends, my relatives, everybody gave me an opportunity to prove that I am very strong. A lot of ignorance, in the light of lot of ignorance and in the light of lot of illiteracy, I was brought up, though but there was a great support for me from my family, particularly my father, who happens to be very great, who has brought up me for what I am today. And I have to face a lot of hearing words from people around saying that I don't deserve anything. I got a job at 10th, where most of my surroundings supported, suggested, or pushed my father to see that I'm getting the job, I'm getting into the job, and I'm moving forward. But my passion towards learning, my passion towards teaching motivated me to come to this stage, completing my BTech, MBA, then PhD, and then serving a premier institute in the world, which happens to be National Institute of Technology, and I'm working there as associate professor, and my service has been 16 years into teaching training. During these 16 years of service, I have motivated many such people who really required support, who really required a lot of knowledge and a lot of courage. I was always there for the people who come for the rescue of their learning. It was always a great experience to work with students, work with people who require my guidance, work with people and they always give me a unknown energy whenever they come to me. I recharge myself and work more than that. I always believe that teaching is one profession where you don't have any limitations, you don't have any time bonding factors, you don't have any other except learn, and your students become your greatest strength. So that's where motivation comes. I've been talking to many people. Everybody say that they don't have time, they don't have proper management, they don't have support from family, they don't have support from wife, they don't have support from various other things. First of all, I believe that first they don't support themselves. When you don't support yourselves, how can anyone come to your rescue and solve a problem? Supporting yourself, what does it mean? If you know what is your problem, then you will have solution. When you have solution, you have supported yourself. There ends the matter and you have done with. So this is very, very important in anybody's life. I suggest the upcoming youth, upcoming learners, that always be maintain perseverance, try to always learn new things, adapt to change, be resilient to whatever comes into picture. And we are living in an agile world. I believe that as a teacher, you should be most resilient and you should always adapt to change. We have seen a phase of non-technology to a phase of technology, and now a phase of online system, where we should still maintain that we are teachers, we are tutors, and we have our role to play in any system. So that makes sense for any committed teacher. I'm very thankful to all my gurus who taught me all these aspects: my father, my family members, my wife who supported me a lot, and all my students who are always with me. Above all, my success always is contributed to all these people who have been with me for all around. So I wish all the lovable teachers happy Teachers Day. Thank you.